9.78.
9.78. Okay. It's still going down. The time we enhance and bind it properly.
Okay.
Let me see. 9.78. By the time we enhance it and bind the terminals very well, we are going to get less than 5 ohms, which is our target.
We will still lose this other one.
We will lose all those ones. That one is just for testing. We use
okay.
4.95, 4.96. Well, we are going lower in resistance. Below this, our target is way less than 5 ohms. We are less than 5 ohms now, but still, we still desire to go less than 5 ohms. Yeah, should still go lower than maybe like 2 ohms or 1 ohms. 1 ohm rather, or 2 ohms. That will be good. After 5 feet, we could not get much, so we had to go to the depth of 7 feet, and this is the result of our edge resistance test. Yeah, this is a very good one. So, yeah, this is 1.56 ohms. Yeah, very good one. 1.56 ohms. We have two edges. This is actually for lighting arrestor. So we have indelec lighting arrestor installed up, and we're having a resistance of 1.6, yeah, to trap lighting effects. This is a very good lighting, though we had to go the depth of 7 feet to get a low resistivity before the enhancement, and this is what we have for now. This is a very good one. We just concluded, so we'll still leave it for a while and measure again. I still believe it can go lower. Yeah. This is the H tape here, sorry, copper tape rather. And this is the meter. Our final reading is 0.7374756, which is a very good resistance for this setting system.